Alright, I've reinstalled the distributor. Let's see if I can remove the fuel pump. The distributors, look at that. Talk about close tolerances. What would make this easier would be, I'll tell you what, better check your fuel pumps, make sure they're the right height. You get a fuel pump that's a couple millimeters taller and you're screwed. I guess the next thing to do is going to be to get a Dremel tool and grind down the top of these. Or figure out what's going on with this intake manifold up here. Does all this need to happen? Does this need to be here for this to happen? What's up with that intake manifold? Maybe somebody was getting creative. It might have been